What's the deal with inflation? Is it like a bad house guest that just won't leave?
Well, maybe not, but it's definitely got people talking. The latest data shows that inflation is higher than expected, and that's got the Federal Reserve thinking twice about cutting interest rates. In fact, some folks are even talking about rate hikes again. That's like the ultimate buzzkill, right?
But let's get into it. The core consumer price index rose 0.4% in January, which is the highest increase in 8 months. That's like a birthday cake with an extra candle. You know, it's a little too hot, but you still want to blow it out and make a wish. Anyways, this means that inflation is still a thing, and it's not going away anytime soon. Bitcoin's price even took a hit, dropping over 2%. After breaching the big $50,000 mark. Ouch. That's like a punch in the gut, or a missed opportunity, depending on how you look at it. But don't get too down, because there's a silver monster lining here. The data shows that some items are still on a deflationary trend. That's like a sale on your suit and favorite video game. You get to save money and still have fun. Shelter costs, though, is still a concern, kind of like that one aunt who always asks when you're getting married. But hey, at least outpatient hospital services and pet care saw record monthly price jumps. That's like a double rainbow after a storm, right? So what does this all mean? Well, the Federal Reserve is going to wait a bit longer. Before cutting interest rates, they want to make sure inflation is under control before they do anything drastic. Then it's like waiting for the right moment to make a move in a game of chess. You got to be patient and strategic.
And speaking of games, used car prices plunged the most since 1969. That's like a boss battle in a video game. It's intense, but you can still come out on top.
In summary, inflation is still a thing, but it's not all bad news. You know, there are still deals to be had, and you know, the Federal Reserve is taking a wait and see approach. And hey, who knows? You know, maybe they'll surprise us all and cut interest rates. Anyway, that'd be like getting an extra life. And again, you never know when, you know, it's going to happen, but it's always a welcome surprise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.